If you want to join the live sessions I do and sharing my screen and talking about markets on an intraday live basis, you can go on my Twitter here and click this link on this pin tweet here and subscribe for a monthly basis here in order to receive a password and share and watch my live screen sharing. You can cancel anywhere you like, perhaps, or even contact me about how you can do this if you want to subscribe on my live screen sharing room and talking and see live trades and thoughts about DAX. Okay, hello everyone, so let's see where we are today. We are gap down after a couple of 100 points rally since 340s up to 620s or so on last week, and Thursday lows here, and then Friday straight up P-shaped profile rally here. Now gap down, we need to see if we manage to fill the gap and if we hold any kind of resistance here at 600s. This perhaps can be good short opportunity if price cannot accept value here and then drives up to 700s. Also looking at the daily profile here, I can see this kind of P-shaped breakout here, gap fill here, held previous week's low support straight up. This is the P-shaped profile. We need to see again in terms of profile if this area will hold as a resistance here or if it holds above and then goes up to 720s. Okay, so price opening here and held resistance at this initial balance high almost there. We need to see if it takes down this opening drive here and then if it goes lower. Scale out already here. Need to see if a flash down will happen here, and generally if this meant that price failed to hold above previous day's value area here, we need to see. Too early to say. Okay, so price attempted to go above here, stopped out, then short again for the momentum breakdown. We need to see if it can go down to 500s and if it holds below initial balance low. Testing at the moment. So price held support here at the initial balance low and opening price fake down here. Got long here, flatten the short here and waiting to see now if price can go and fill this kind of gap. Slow open at the moment, scaling out here, will scale out above here at the initial balance high and leave this to see if it can manage to break out and go above. Unless this happens, perhaps we will go higher. Manually flatten this position here for small profit. I see constant resistance here. Need to see shorted again against this European cash opening price. Need to see if price can exaggerate towards the downside or what direction it will take at the turn of the 30 minutes. We have the second 30-minute candle here open. I need to see if this can go up to the higher of the Bollinger Band. Of course, open and drive higher at the moment doesn't mean this cannot go straight down. So price slowly ranging here at 30 points first out of cash trading range. Of course, this has high probability to expand hopefully towards the upside and fill this gap. Range as first out of cash trading too small at the moment. We need to see if this can go flash up above initial balance high. There it is, scale out here and here since this entry. Need to see if it goes further up. You can see here hesitation, basically hesitation on the other side, but hesitation at the initial balance low here, then to go lower, then rallying higher. Also this 30-minute here as talked earlier, the candle open and initially drove higher, then expanded higher. We're going to see if it goes up to 600s. Another scale out here, grey trade like 40 points or so up here. We need to see what it does at 600s. So a closer look here to see what price is doing and how I traded here. A couple of shorts here and scale outs. Shorted here for a breakdown, didn't happen. Covered and got long here again. Scale out here and here. We need to see now if price can go up to Friday's value area high 620s area. So price pulled back from the highs here in the gap fail, held support perfectly at the midpoint of first hour of cash trading rates and on volume weighted average price. Now the turn of the hour going higher. We need to see what it does at the highs here and on Friday's value area high if this proves to be a good short opportunity. Okay, so price pull back inside initial balance again after filling this gap at Friday's close, failed to hold above as of now. This could provide a great short opportunity. Of course, I wanted to go even higher to short here. Perhaps now we can see price go towards the lower side of initial balance range and then 500. Perhaps it can balance some of these breakout area. In terms of weekly profile structure, nice areas to see this 450s level, and perhaps price can go fill some of these less traded volume, although this is very well traded during the weeks prior to the current week, but perhaps we can see if price can go down to here. Of course, needs to break down below initial balance and then go. Okay, so here where a few hours later you can see price held support down to 500s and twice resistance here at initial balance high. Great short opportunity scale out already here and here. We need to see if this can test the lows once again. Also have a look on the 30-minute chart here on the Bollinger Bands to see the correlation here of the minute chart down here. 30-minute candle close to the downside outside of Bollinger Band. Next candle open, then grind it higher. Great long opportunity if you manage to catch this for 60 points. Now we need to see if this will happen. Okay, so here we're after the US cash open. Price rallied once again up to volume weighted average price here and held resistance to the midpoint of initial balance area. Now below US cash open price, new lows here, scale out further since these short positions up here, willing to hold the position for a move towards today's lows or even lower. So price bounced here after a couple of hours and failed again here above midpoint of initial balance area, and a great short opportunity here again. We need to see if it takes down 500 and low of the day. So we can see here price exactly as getting to European cash close, sold off down towards the low of the day, early scale out here, flatten the core position here instead of holding lower. This happens.